I thought it was astonishing, and I, so many parts of it were astonishing. It was, that language to me was connected with old people in my head, and here was this youngster, committing his life to it. That in itself was astonishing. His stories of collecting the books in New York were so inspiring and so intriguing. So from the beginning, the stories of this place were inspirational, and I kept thinking how his activities and the activities of the people he was surrounding himself with to make this happen would have so delighted my family.